This video is the second of two videos for the preposition by. Use by when talking about a deadline or when something happens before something else. You can use by with reflexive pronouns such as myself, yourself, himself. Use by when talking about methods or ways of doing something. You can use by when talking about measurements. You have two measurements, 2 by 4, 3 by 5, etc. And you can also use by as part of a verb phrase. The verb goes here and then it's followed by. I need this by tomorrow. This is before tomorrow or tomorrow. The package should arrive by Saturday. This would be before Saturday or on Saturday. Everyone left by midnight. So this is before midnight or at midnight. Use by when a person does something alone or without help. I did it by myself. Here's the reflexive pronoun. This means no one helped me. He's sitting by himself. He's sitting alone. No one is beside him. They finished the project by themselves. The people in this group did all the work. No one else helped them. Use by when talking about a method for producing something. Her dress was made by hand. She didn't use a machine. Or, these shoes were manufactured by a machine. So in this case, a machine made the shoes. In this example, a person's hand or hands made the dress. You can learn many things by using a computer. After by, this word is in the form of a gerund, using. This is the method by which you can learn many things. By saving their money, they were able to buy a house. After by, here's the gerund, and this is what they did to do this. This is the method by which they were able to buy a house. When you learn something and you know it very well, then you might be able to say, I know it by heart. This can be information or words or a poem. It could be a religious text, but you know it so well that you've memorized it and can say it without making a mistake. I know it by heart. Use by for measurements. The room is 10 feet by 15 feet. Or it's a 10 by 15 foot room. Or it measures 10 by 15 feet. This piece of paper is 8.5 inches by 11 inches. It's 8.5 by 11 inches. And you can use by in forming verb phrases. The verb is used before the preposition. Come by, get by, and be by are some examples. When asking about a person's name, this question can be used. What do you go by? Or what name do you go by? This can be used for a nickname or a shortened version of a longer name. What do you go by?